Hello friends, today we will see how to spy on Android phones. Let's say you open these many apps and then you'll see, and then you can simply close all the apps like this. And just once these apps are closed, they are actually virtually untraceable. You can't trace the screens to appear. Today I'll tell you one simple trick. How to know these, what all things were opened by the person you gave. See, go to your phone. Type this. Tana. You can see. So now you go to phone information, or rather usage statistics, and as you can see here, go to this top right corner and you will see the downward arrow. There you have to select app name, and then you will get a list sorted by app name and when that app was active and for how much duration that app was active. So here you can see, as you can see, like Android system calendar, it shows for 15 seconds it was open at 5:53:23 second. So like this, if someone is trying to cheat you by closing all applications, you can still see what all applications he got access to. Okay, so this was my tutorial on how to know what all things someone accessed in your phone. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and share and like. Thanks.